Welcome. If you want to take control of your Instagram comment section and prevent advanced comment filtering on the Instagram app using your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can customize your experience and keep your interactions just the way you like them. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all the features. Next, look at the left side menu. Here, you'll see the More icon. It usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on this icon to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage a variety of account preferences and privacy controls. Now, in the Settings menu, find and click on Hidden Words. This section is designed to help you manage and filter out unwanted comments and messages, giving you more control over what appears on your posts. Inside the Hidden Words section, you'll see options related to comment filtering. To prevent advanced comment filtering, look for the toggle or switch labeled Advanced Comment Filtering, and make sure it is turned off. By disabling this feature, Instagram will stop automatically hiding comments based on its advanced filtering system, allowing you to see more of what your followers are saying in real time. If you want even more control, you can also review or update your custom words and phrases in this section. This lets you decide which specific words or phrases should be filtered out, rather than relying on Instagram's automatic system. And that's it. By following these steps, opening Instagram, clicking the More icon, going to Settings, entering Hidden Words, and preventing advanced comment filtering, you can personalize your comment section and make sure you're not missing out on genuine interactions from your community. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more open and engaging Instagram experience.